what's yours. You can't give them what's mine. I just say, we had to stand with you in the movie company and before you know your place. Ash about you, you get up, must go fight him. You see how the top by you see how that sound dirty people by you. I mean, never hear none of your support and them come and say, let me tell you something, you see when you connect with good friend, you connect good marrow. You see when you connect with bad friend, you connect with bad marrow. Sometimes the people that we have in our circle, and the people that we associate with, and the people that we do, and the people that we humble up on, and the people that we say, we are them a friend, and them, we get their bad energy they from. Let me tell you something. Bad place to us that up here, when we come to the church, and you're going to bring them down there, I don't never get to much fight on them. Will you not hear me? Will you not hear me, chat? Where we are going for? We not going. The degree the high today, you see me like you, y'all. Me I bring down the big heavy duty, y'all. I can't be mine. Because I can't sleep it alright me. You is an evil girl. You do some wicked things about you. You need to cut up your folly ground. A baby got to see you do about you. And anytime people do go back by you wicked and blood clot and go back by you with something. You see the nurse say me can't be here, I cry. No blood clot. And when you do people things, people don't feel cry. The degree, the high today. Oh, man, hear me? You don't hear me chat? Here. I want to take me for chat. I want to take me for. I'm not going to go inside. Guys, I'm in and start back over, right? I go inside, I go in and start back over. I come. Akeem this. Yes, Akeem, what happened? And you get up, must fight your mother. We take 9 months out, we take time and produce something like you. Because Rose to your bigger mom, to your bigger ugly. You see, me not ask if your mama go through a hard time to get you. To your big and stable, your mama go through a hard time to get you. What I'm pretty. Your mama go through a hard blood clot time to get you. When me moderator them, the shorty dig after somebody they face me, sweep him up and throw him over River Town. And you know when me blame your mother for Rosalie, your mother shouldn't have apologized to you. Your mother apologized to you and I know you not accept it. You was the one should have apologized to your mother. You were the one should have apologized to your mother. Don't add nobody in your box, moderator. You was the one should have apologized to your mother. Don't matter what the circumstances, mommy, sorry for get up must lick you, mommy, sorry for lick you. And your company media and bring down your mama to a certain amount of level that people could have looked upon her as nothing. Right? And you know, company media are renewed and reunite the relationship with you and your mother. Make people on the media can say, okay, you and your mother live back good now and they love to see that. You know, company media reunite everything within you and your mother. I say, mommy, sorry for everything what happened. Make 2 screen card, grab you, apologize to your mother, hug up your mother, make you feel love. You bring him down. And class him, call him slut dog. The woman say no know what you have him up in your heart for. And you do the most. Me see Destiny show video with y'all beat up you. Don't turn no blood clot. And you couldn't get up. Must go fight girl. But you get up. And when the girl should be in your back, I say girl you blare enough your mouth upon the media. Talk hard now. You could even do nothing. Further that send up a look. And further that what me do? What me do nothing no go so? Yeah, and fix things. Because you never want the girl to beat you. Who remember that? Who remember that? But you can't have strength for your mother, you can't have strength for GX. And when you play a victim and do the most, when you play a victim and do the most, and me, Toffee, thank you, Toffee. It's Toffee for you, remember Toffee. Toffee, dig off your face, no blood clot. Juke up in your big back, and you couldn't do nothing. You couldn't do nothing with blood clot. They live in ICU. Vanny, now I live match already. And me see you bring down your mama over one bad soap, call him John Crow. And crack all you have your by tiny paper in the bathroom or there's something there. And come for life to fight your mama. Then after anything happen to you now in the background, why you feel say your bad bliss to take you so? Why you feel say you're big or ugly so? Why you feel say you can't have nothing in your life no matter the way you gain for TikTok? Because bad bliss to take you the tears of your mother when me see she a cry, fall by your shoulder because each tear drop she fall, drop by you. You know so if your mother go a roadside or squeezing Tikki in the crossroad you done for? Bad bliss to what's that obia. I see why you can't have nothing in your life no matter what you gain for TikTok. And then when you're not girl for TikTok, catch up, you say, me and my money, me and my pocket, me and me this. Rosalie, everybody pan the media know say your purse drop or broke up or breeze blow with the splinter in a GX pocket. Everybody pan the media know say you have your purse, but it drop or break up or breeze blow with the splinter in a GX pocket. Cause you have nothing. You can rank every day, beg every day, dig down every day, and yet still, me see you the and me see you sleep or pallet or TikTok if you buy your blood clot bed. Me see TVJ come in your yard for video and if you jump shit water, if you go in your house. GX have 5 CXC subjects according to you, and you have to sit down and beg for you and him. I'm gonna put horse clip in yet, Panny, housewife, according to you where you take him as. Much more when you pick him up a sidewalk, a halfway tree, a walk a thief. Done blood clot period. And a pick pallet. And you come and you do the most fun. You want girl will do the most blood clot things about you. Miss me watch your sis you do so dirty things about you. Then what if you put God now make the police lose? The police must find a chance sense of security, must defend himself in front of the judge. The police, because me not see the police do not wrong, the police just make you know say you are living like a pig. And we need to take you out of the swamp. Because hurricane is going to come. Because a whole heap of things in the water. Remember Derek have a man named Andrew, you know. And me see you put out Andrew picture about here, you know. I put up Andrew picture and say, see me guys, I Derek Morgan man this. He walking at the park downtown. Anyone who see me don't know see us in stay so. I lie me I tell. Me go back again and see you say man fi be blood clot Derek. In I park. Me no hear nobody say nothing. Me see you come back again last week you fight off your mama. Me see slime the part TikTok and walking look money and you find out say the boy you elevate. You talk say the boy you gang a Spain town and I use his money by gun. Rosalie is a wicked blood clot girl. You is a wicked blood clot girl. But reaction worse than that blood clot obia. Your mama need to go into the cross. You know me blame Miss Laverne for? You know me mama blame Miss when me blame your mother for? She shouldn't apologize to you. If your mother never apologized to you, Thank you so much. If your mother never apologized to you, you would be the one now must go disrespect must go. You see true your mother apologized to you, you're gonna feel like you're above her at all time. You're gonna piss on her now, shit on him, everything, and he feel like and you feel like she have to take it. I never see parent apologize to Pitney before. I know that Pitney apologized to parent. You have nothing in life. No come tell nobody say, why? No I know me pocket. After more than 5 years, no me they say you have plans. And here Rosalie having plan, you know, and just take time and do him at the silent. You have no plan. You is a croft. You come for TikTok and work $3 million, GX take 2.9 and the box take the other $1 million. Miss P, me not give your mad alone. Me a give all a father, all a grandmad me a give you. All a great grandmad. Just take the whole generation mad. You come pa you go like you're somebody. When me see you do the worst things them boy. Me see Roger Chris them pa ya and you bring up false allegation boy Roger Chris film tarnish the youth career so bad. Everybody that's a Roger fish, everybody that's a Roger that, and you come and paint picture and good on in the details and do the most. Me no see the police do nothing wrong and enough wickedness you do about you. Me no see the police do nothing wrong, Rosalie. Remember you can't come for me. Remember me no run joke. Remember me no run joke. You know the settings that me come with. You know the pressure when me come with. You know everything when me I go do. You know everything when me I go capable of. Remember you don't know nothing about me. You say me take two, you say me I take straight man and then give them baby mother germs. They supposed to fuck me and give them baby mother germs and batty them and fuck. I batty them and fuck. I regular me see GX tear up here in the middle blood clot road. I regular me see GX tear up here in the blood clot road. But why GX fuck you, I go give the mate baby germs. I is a real woman. Where you walk with under your foot? I regular me see blood clot GX tear up you. Box up, beat up, you know, blood clot. And you could blood clot say you sue him. You could give him no argument. You could say you do this. You could say get up for say you fight him and you poor mama. You want him to live like a dog. You want your mama to live like a junker. Your mama go apologize to you. That me blame your mama for. No matter the manipulation when she get, she should have manipulate. She should have go apologize to you. So all along, back to you now. All along, me see everybody on TikTok achieve something. Me no see you achieve nothing. Everybody on TikTok me see ready here for somebody else. And then take somebody, ready here for somebody and make it be their motivation. Everybody on TikTok me see hide their pride, cover their shame. I do what them have to do to make their life better off. I show TikTok people say, you no give one, no give me, I go to a use. Me see triple opening store. Me see Vanny rent a nice house and furniture out there showing background. I done to the house of blood clot Switzerland. Remember when him did the boat here. I want to say I was down the furniture. In furniture out in the little room that about last 2 years. So when two in furniture out in the little room, Destiny could even turn in there. Remember all of them sitting there, you know. Missy Jaden by 5 a car. Missy Kasha fix up in a little ghetto when you know blood clot. Missy Mackerel Bill house. I want they say not take care of mama. Missy little Reggie. Fix up something. No, to motivate yourself. What you do, what you don't look at somebody else ambitious so they have already a fighter and say, Bumbo clot, me have to go do that similar to what somebody else do. Even the same so cocky Tikki they are. Missy Chai and go blood clot, come America with film look who earn we make by TikTok. Me no see you do nothing. Fabi them just a come and do things, when I wait a beauty, somebody will say Zuma call me. I know me no see my phone a ring. Zuma me number if you call me, my phone will ring. She nyam shit sleep in same place like a white fowl. She don't want motivate none at all. Then you cuss people and say, you're in a foreigner, you spell start back with you. I feel a word that fit all of the girls. You never tell me so yet. Because you don't know nothing about me. Because I say ambition. For you walk and sell fuck peanut thief, you and your man have more than 50 application or occupation. What work your man have, you see, and not even US alone, me see do 2 work per day, your man do more than 7 work per day. I be evil things me see though. Blessing can't take you. You be able to you have figure pray off the sin the way you wash them so tears for them because you do so wicked things. You get up, see what beat off all your mama in the house. And you tell me say blessing the part you reaction worse than a blood clot over here. You come over here set up all slime like the slime and take your money by gun. What you do with fear TikTok money? Even if slime take fee money by gun, probably my up in JDF force of Jamaica. Probably my up in a different force of Jamaica. Yes, my moderator. As long as I use it by something, then we see say it go to something. Me see where you use the money, do what you work for TikTok. I be a millions of Jordan. You tell me say GX a collect all of them the money there, and me see GX got a rebel party, and me see GX in our pants and the pants a spin pan him. When me see GX a rebel party, me say, me think see a welding shop GX go they hold up the pants pan him. GX thin. GX jay up like a wire, GX jay up like a wire Carlan. GX jay up like a wire bone on here Carlan. Me never know say local string mean it's still here Jamaica. GX a with a blood clot way. Because it's sin what you have for you. Gotta bounce him. He two back pocket them a meat run a GX back part and a clap no blood clot like convention. You turn GX all in a housewife. And GX, you say GX a 5 sexy subject. And I know me no hear you say chef.
Use a line.
Oh, me a bring.
What you're doing?
Me a bring no nasty Rosalie. Me even beat off him mama me at about me so at but me no want you no can't catch you for ya. It's something them with me here. No, me a try to make you avoid certain things. Me so
alright. Let's alright.
Me quit talk about it. Remember you know no secret for me. Remember you don't know nothing about me. Me just 20-year-old no blood clot and me try to run we come a foreign for look a better life. You say, if I reach a foreign me a go and hype. Me supposed to go and hype on you if I reach a foreign. And enough girl me see you go and hype on a Jamaica you dey. And Jamaica you dey and enough girl me see you go and hype on. Somebody say 20 I put a question mark. Me never tell you say 20 or 20 or 40 miss. And you never hear the first one me say like me did tell you say 10 or 10 or 20 and me give you an answer. You is a careless girl. You is the most careless person you ever see on TikTok. Look at the condition where you live in. Them the pitting there where you have, you see, they now grow with no pride, dignity, nothing. You talk to them anyhow. Junker. They see a man a beat you. They see you beat your mama. Dirtiness around them. Rubbish. Nastiness. Everything. They don't go with no morals. No refinable. And you talk say, you like you live life. Look for the condition where me see you in. Me see TVJ come here yard no blood clot. And our big old shit rag me see him pan the door to blood clot. Greet him with say hello, good morning. Them have to jump shit water must come in at your house. And yesterday the police them expose you and say how your house dirty. And by to the TVJ them come a video must show. Must have them there's something for sure for over. Cause you know once you have the news reporter, you have a video, everything must come at the judge seat. What big old black pat me see. What big old black pat me see.